Our students all over the world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and I hope all of you are fine. በዓለም ላይ ያላችሁ የአፋን ኦሮሞ ተማሪዎቻችን እንዴት አደራችሁ? እንዴት ዋላችሁ? እንዴት አመሻችሁ? እግዚአብሔር የተመሰገነውን ሁላችን ደህና ነን። ዋይን በርኖታ ኬኛ ሀርዳ ዋይ ኦሮሞ ኡመተ ኦሮሞ ዋጃሃ ድኒቅ kan jedhu ta'a. So these are the 6 unique things about Oromo people that worth knowing. ስለ ኦሮሞ ህዝብ ማወቅ ያለበት አንድ ሰው ስለ ባህሉ የሚገልጽ 6 ነገሮችን ነው የምናየው። So what are these things? So for example, these 6 things that are very common and that worth knowing are, the Oromo people say, now of culture, and the Oromo people has respect, which we call ethics, safu, and the Oromo people has hada sinke, and the Oromo people has abba gada and the gada system in all. So these things are what makes the Oromo people unique from the other, or important for anyone who is living with Oromo people to know it. So እነዚህ ነገሮች ኦሮሞ ያልሆነም ሰው ቢያውቀው ተጠቃሚ ይሆናል ነው። ኦፍ ኮልቻ ይላሉ፣ ኖሩ ይላሉ፣ ኤባ በሁሉም ነገር በኤባ በምርቃት ይጀምራል። ሰፉ አለ፣ ሀዳ ሲንቄ፣ አባ ገዳ፣ ገዳ ሲስተም አለ። እነዚህም ማወቅ ከአብሮ የሚኖረው ሰው ባህሉን ማወቅ ለማንኛውም ሰው ይጠቅማል ማለት ነው። let's go to the first and then let's look at each of them. እስኪ አሁን ደግሞ እያንዳንዱን ለማየት እንሞክራለን። So when we look at each of them, when do Oromo people say now of culture? It's like that of excuse me, ይቅር በሉኝ፣ ይፍቱኝ ወይ እንደሚል አይነት ነገር ነው። So they say it 3 times, now of culture, now of culture, now of culture. They say, he, the old man or a woman, ask for a permission to proceed with what he or she has at hand. So before blessing or doing something ceremonial, ምርቃት ከመስጠት በፊት የሆነ ባህላዊ የሆነ ስርዓት ከማካሄድ በፊት ሁሉም ሰው ምን ይላል? now of culture, now of culture, now of culture ይላል። So it means what? Like excuse me, all right? Or maybe I don't think this word is express it fully, but this is the nearest word we can say. ሚቀርበው excuse me ነው። ፍቀዱልኝ፣ ፈቅደንልሃል፣ ይሳካል በሉኝ እንደማለት ነው። So before making a speech or giving any suggestion, before or while crossing the road or a river, or where the bride and bridegroom are ready to leave in the wedding ceremony, so there is a kind of saying, like now of culture, now of culture. So the bridegroom and the bride maybe get blessed by saying now of culture, of koli, hullu kibai nagam bai nagangali, of koli ililni ani gaggesu jecha. So the first thing is now of culture, right? of culture, now of culture የሚባለው እንግዲህ ታላቅ ሰው ሲመርቅም ከሱ በላይ ታላቅ የሆነው ሰው ካለ ትንሾቹም ከሱ በታች ያሉትም ሰው የሁሉንም ፍቃድ የሚጠይቅበት ስርዓት ነው። ስለዚህ እኔ ብቻ እበልጣለሁ ብሎ በምርቃቱ አይቀጥልም ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ የሁሉንም ፍቃድ ይጠይቃል እና የሁሉም ሰው ፍቃድ ሆኖ ምርቃቱን እንዲጀምር ናኦፍ ኮልቻ ናኦፍ ኮልቻ ናኦፍ ኮልቻ 3 ታይም 3 ጊዜ ይባላል ማለት ነው። ሶ ይሄ ታላቁም ቢሆን ታናሹም ሰው ለእርስ በርስ ምን ያህል ክብር እንዳለው እንደሚከባበር ያሳያል ማለት ነው። እኔ አዋቂ ነኝ ብሎ ብቻ ምርቃቱን ከመስጠት ከኔ ታላቅ የሆናችሁ ከኔ ታናሽ የሆናችሁ ፍቃዳችሁ ይሁን እኔ ፈጣሪ እግዚአብሔር ያሳየኝን ልበል እንደማለት ነው። So the next one is what? Noru. So from the unique things about Oromo people is the saying of Noru, words of high respect anyway. The young or the younger, the young or the youngers, the youngers should what? The youngers should say Noru. In Oromo culture, in our culture, when passing by the side of an old man or woman, you don't simply keep quiet and pass. That's not really allowed, because there is an old man, and if he damn you, cuts you, that's not accepted in the society, and you will face something difficult. ስለዚህ ሽማግሌ በዚህ ተቀምጦ ካለ ዝም ብሎ ማለፍ አይቻልም። ኖሩ ብለህ ታልፋለህ ማለት ነው። ኖሩ ማለት እንግዲህ ሽማግሌ ነው የተከበሩ ነው ብሎ ሪኮግኒሽን መስጠት ነው፣ እውቅና ሰጥታል ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ምርቃት ይከተላል። ኖሩ ሲፈጀው ኖሪን አብን ከዛ ጉደድ ሙለድ ከንብያ ከነዱኛ ታይ ቤክ በይ ምል ምርቃት ይከተላል። እደግ ለሀገር ለወገን የምትጠቅም ያድርግ። እንደዚሁን ደርሰህ ደግሞ ኖሩ ለመባል ያብቃ ይላል ማለት so this is not an easy thing is here, so you will get advice, you will get blessing. So the son-in-law, for example, the son-in-law or daughter-in-law should say ኖሩ right. የአማች ቤቶች ደግሞ ምን ይላሉ ማለት ያው ልጃቸውን ያገባ ባል አባት ያው የሚስቱን አባትና እናት ኖሩ ብሎ ነው ሁሌ ግሪት የሚያደርገው። ዝም ብሎ እንዴት ዋላችሁ አይገባም ማለት ነው። ኖሩ አከም ወልተን ይርቱ so a boy or girl should greet any old man or woman saying ኖሩ. ኖሩ shows what? Words of high respect. All right, and you can simply say ኖሩ and pass also. You don't have to say good afternoon, good evening. Maybe if you have intimacy, you can greet the people and then you can kiss on the shoulder. All right, or you may shake hands by nodding your head. All right, that means by showing respect. So when they want to show great respect of the people of their age, even old people may say to each other ኖሩ. All right, that shows what? That they give respect. They are saying you are my elder, I have respect for you. So it's like that of part of greeting, but it may have ኖሩ when someone say, we say ኒበሩ ኖሩ ሲፈጀድ ውደድ ሙለድ so ኒበሩ የሚል ደግሞ ሪስፖንስ አለው ማለት ነው። So let's proceed to the third one. What is the third one? In Oromo, what is unique is what? The practice and the use of blessing. Ebba. Oromo give name by saying Ebba, Ebbise. Alright? So it is believed that it is very useful and a way to get all things. And a child is obedient for his family and to get Ebba. Alright? Being cursed is really not accepted in the society. ስለዚህ ህብረተሰቡ ውስጥ አፋን ኦሮሞ ህብረተሰብ ውስጥ መመረቅ ነው ትልቅ ቦታ ያለው። ንብረት ከማውረስ ምርቃት ማውረስን ይወዳል ሰው ምርቃትን መውረስ ይወዳልና so ኤባ አርገችሁ it is not an easy. Everybody should get what we call ኤባ, and it is the way we win life, and it is the way for success. Now an old man is respected because they offer ebba. ኤባ ይሰጣሉ፣ ብሌሲንግ ይሰጣሉ። ብሌሲንግ is more than having property, all right? If you have a property without a bless, it will, go without your knowledge. So eebba qaba, eebbaaf iddoo kenna, eebban jalqaba, eebban xumura. They start by blessing, they end things by blessing. And Oromo people have many old men and women, and they are respected by the society because they are source of what? Eebba. They connect with that Eebba will give people a very good life in the future, right? So the other one is what? Safu, ethics. The Oromo people never use the taboo words. The Oromo proverbs and the riddles even are free from taboos. Right? The name of the father-in-law is not called. አይጠራም። ለምሳሌ የአማች ስም አይጠራም፣ የሚንዜ ስም አይጠራም። So there are what? Safu, ethics is there. Alright? So haramuun hin kabajama, haramuu beeka, safuu beeka. An old man will not be insulted. ቢጣላ ቢያባርር ሽማግሌ አይሰደብም፣ አይመታ። ኦራይት ከቻልክ ሮጠህ ታመልጣለህ ማለት። ሶ ሰፉ ቀባ ኦሮሞን ሰፉ ቀባ። ኦሮሞ has ethics of what? Alright, the best names are not, the name of the best man are not called. The name of the father-in-law, the mother-in-law is not called. And also taboo words are not used. And also there are different ethics that are respected. So knowing this is very important. ስለዚህ በኦሮሞ ባህል ኢቲክስ አለ፣ ራይት? አዎ። እና የማይጠሩ የሚንዜ ስም አይጠራ፣ ብልግና ምናምን ተብሎ አጸያፊ ወርዶች ታላላቅ ሰዎች አይጠቀሙም። ስድብም ቢሆን ስድብ ውስጥ የለም ማለት ነው። እነዚህ ሰፉ ቀባ jechuudha። uummanni Oromoo uummata safuu qabu፣ uummata haraamuu kabaju፣ አበልጅ የሚባለው ነገር በጣም የሚያከብር ነው። ሰፉ ቀባ uummanni Oromoo safuu qaba። maqaan amaachi maqaan amaatii hin dhahamu፣ maqaan miishee hin dhahamu. And even there is the issue of what? If there is any communication related to safu waan ta'e hin haasa'amu jechuudha. So let's proceed, and what the next one is maybe about haadha siinqee. In Oromo we have respect for women. The Oromo culture has respect for girls, for women, and a girl has qarre, virgin, sign of virgin. And when she gets married, her mother gives her siinqee. Siinqee is a respected stick that empower women, right? ሴቶችን መብት የሚሰጣቸው ለፍርድ ለመስጠት የሚያስችላቸው፣ ሰላም ለማውረድ የሚያስችላቸው ከእናታቸው የሚሰጣቸው ሲያገቡ፣ ካገቡ በኋላ ይዞት የሚወጡ ሀደ ሲንቄ አለ ማለት ነው። so this makes what? This gives authority for female to make decision in the society, to pacify. All right, when there is some quarrel between men, so siinqee women and truth come in between and make things fine or peace. So the other one is what? The last one, but not the least, the sixth one is what? The presence of Gada system, the democratic system of Oromo people. So the Oromo people live by a democratic system that starts from birth. ijoollee kaa daa'imummaan jalqabe ከልጅነት ጀምሮ ስም በማውጣት ከዛ ደግሞ ጀምሮ ከጋሜ ጥጥቆ ጀምሮ እስከ ትላልቅ እስከ 40 እስከ 30 ዓመት ሞልቶ ለአስተዳደር እስኪበቁ ድረስ የሚያስተምራቸው how to administer, how to fight, how to respect things, how to bring the rule to the ground. Administration, general administration, and how to keep the Oromo culture norms የሚያሳይ ገዳ ሲስተም አለ ማለት ነው። So it is worth knowing this very important 6 things, all right? 6 things we can go through. For example, there is a Badula war commander. So there are a lot of things related to age, all right? From starting from naming. So in the Gada system, which is already recognized by UNESCO in 2016, and these are the very basic, unique things that are common among Oromo people. So one Oromo, one Jaha, Wadinik, one Jahadinik. So Oromo na of culture jedha, Noru jedha, eebbaan jalqabee eebbaan xumuraa, safuu qabaa safuu beekaa, haadha siinqee qabaa abbaa gadaa qabaa gadaan bulaa. Egaa horaa bulaa kanumaa galatoomaa afaan Oromoo barachuun gaariidha. Waa'ee Oromoos baruun immoo baay'ee gaariidha. So learning afaan Oromoo is very interesting, and learning about Oromo people's culture, the way they lead life, is also very important, because language and culture have relation. So culture is depicted through language. That's why when we say culture, when we say Noru, when we give blessing, Ebba, or when we talk about Safu, Hadasinke, or Gada system, we use language. So thank you very much. I thank you very much, and this is all about. I thank you. So continue your learning. Galatoma barachuu keessan itti fufa. Maamila keenyas bilisaan ta'a. So you can subscribe, and you can support us in teaching and learning our language, Afaan Oromo. I thank you. Galatoma.